Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can picture-in-picture in iOS 14. So let's start. So what I will do, I will just open YouTube and I will just start some video. And it's like really simple and I love this. I didn't want this one, but okay, youtube.com. You need to do through Safari. It won't be able to do it through the YouTube app right now. No thanks. And I got this video here, right?
Ahoj, možno v trendoch blúdiš, objav domov, čo mať túžiš, veľký výber XXX lucní.
Now, click on this right down corner to make it full screen. And then you're gonna see next to the X is going to be like picture in picture. And voila, here how you can do it. And then you can like simply do whatever you want, right? So, and this is how you can picture in picture in iPhone. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.